A family friend has a child who he thought was his, but found out years later that he was not his father. Oh my, the mother knew all along. Can he get the child support back, the money that he gave through the many years? Mike, that is a heart-wrenching set of circumstances that you're in, and it really is going to depend upon the paperwork that you signed or what you agreed to in the child support process. Let me kind of give you some general terms and some general things that the lawyers are going to have to look at. First of all, were you on the child's birth certificate? Because there is a presumption if you're on the child's birth certificate that you are his father, and the paternity test should have been conducted during the first 18 years of the child's life. Now that the child is an adult, it's going to be exceptionally difficult for you to kind of go back and remove that and do it. Second of all, if the mother did know, how did she know? That's another question. How did she know, and how do you know that she knew? And getting in that situation, it is a fraud, and it is a fraud on you, and it may be a fraud on the court. There are civil remedies that you can go back and do that. However, the collectability of that is going to be another story. Not many lawyers will take that case at all. The few that will ask for money up front. They will not take it on a contingency basis. And so now you're going to be spending additional money going after this person. You may even consider, if you have enough information, after you consult with a lawyer, is taking that to the police department. That is grand theft. Over the years, over the 18 years, and if the person absolutely knew that that was not his child, then you've got grounds for fraud there as well, which equates to grand theft. So you've got a couple of options there, but it's going to involve first a civil attorney who practices in family law and family issues. They're going to review the file, and in looking at that file, they want to see what have you done to claim this person as your child. So I mentioned the birth certificate. The other thing is if you acknowledge the child through the paternity action in order to have the child support, that would be kind of a strike against you as well. And your interaction with the child as well. It's going to be very complicated, but again, a family law attorney can walk you through that process. There are many family law attorneys in the area that will consult with you. You'll need to pay a fee on the consult, but it's worthwhile to look into. So Mike, we hope we helped you out there.